Well, there are a number of challenges, but the elephant in the room generally is CFOs are trying to get rid of spreadsheets and they're trying to introduce a data-driven culture. So a data-driven culture in the modern world means I have an application plugged into a system of record with real-time single version of the truth. And instead of spending lots of time to custom massage a particular spreadsheet, which is fairly static, I actually turn on the application, look at it, and instantaneously have the information at my fingertips. Most CFOs would like to be able to replace armies of static spreadsheet builders with dynamic, data-driven applications to run the business by. You know, increasingly CFOs are looking for advanced analytic application functions that will blend their enterprise data with other third-party sources of data. So a big trend is blending of multiple sources of data. Another big trend with CFOs is to inject advanced intelligence for predictive analytics, and they're doing it with R, Python, data machine learning algorithms. And although this didn't used to be so common 10 years ago, it's becoming more and more common today. You know, as people replace spreadsheets with data-driven applications, there's a big demand to deploy federated analytics. So a sophisticated approach toward analytics is I publish data as a service out to all my analysts and to all my end users. And CFOs are driving this initiative in forward-leaning companies, especially throughout Asia. I do agree with it. I think a classic tactical approach is, well, we got to do a project, we need some analysis, build a spreadsheet. A strategic discipline would be, I'm going to appoint an analytics architect, I'm going to create an enterprise analytics framework and a set of enterprise data sets. I'm going to publish the data sets, and then all of the analysts throughout the organization can use them on a day-to-day basis, and the data sets will be refreshed in real time. When you've done that, you've actually created refreshed single version of the truth, and then you can respond to daily tactical emergencies very rapidly, and you don't have to worry that the custom spreadsheet has a different definition of margin or a different definition of revenue. You have common KPIs, common attribute frameworks, you've got real-time data-driven information. Well, I think that one key trend is the explosion of mobile devices. So for example, new smartphones are larger, faster than ever, and people are using their tablet computers and they're getting lighter. And it used to be in finance organizations, people thought, I'm going to just look at data that's behind a big workstation or a laptop, and maybe progressive meant I delivered via the web. The mobile wave is bringing analytics to the point of a decision and leaving it out of the back office. The proliferation of federated analytics is causing financial institutions to deploy their data more broadly. So it's much more common that you see decentralized self-service analytics across dozens of divisions or different functions within an organization. And the finance organizations are the providers of that data service. So that's a big change. I think the expectation that we're going to use data-driven applications means that these finance data sets are finding their way into sales and marketing and customer-facing applications so they can inform those decisions. That's another really big trend going on right now.